Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. This is our second video of using the 9770 STS, and we've got everything done here on the main farms. This farm is done, my place is done, Travis's place is done. All we really have left are 3 farms to go, which is a field of Dad's. I've got a field of mine, which is 54 acres, and then a field of Travis's, which is roughly 40 acres. With Dad's, I want to say it's roughly 70 acres worth of crop ground, roughly. But that's all we have left to harvest. And after using the 9770, all I have to say is wow. It's definitely impressive to see how much faster we can harvest. It does speed things up, even like right now where the truck is the biggest limitation. Last night when we got this load of corn put on, we were done, and I was back here before the sun was even down, because the elevator closes at 5 o'clock. And the sun, I mean, shoot, it gets dark at like 6:30 right now, but that's before the time change. We're going up to the Burton farm to finish that in this video. We might end up hauling some down. I'm not totally sure if we're still planning on that. I know that the 76 is hooked up to other stuff, so I don't know if we're going to end up topping that other bin off or not. We need to get fodder made, so that's going to be probably the next thing that we go for this weekend, because we're not sure what the elevator's hours are going to be. But the forecast is looking pretty good to get some fodder made. We still have the coon baler, so I'm going to be hooking that up to the 82, and we'll have to rake it and then go through and bale it. So I don't think that'll take too long, but we're aiming to get around 200 fodder bales. So the truck should be all warmed up now. I'm going to take this load down. We're going to head up to Burton. Travis and Dad are up there setting up the combine right now. Travis is going to come back, get the 82, take that up, and we're gonna get the day started. What do you say we take the first load to Dubuque? All right, buddy, you riding with me today? Let's go. Come on, Rocket. It would be real convenient to be able to drive the tractor and wagons down here. They're using the same pit for beans and corn. Supposedly they're supposed to take beans over at Dove Harbor today, but I guess the guy ahead of me's got beans, so he's dumping right now. Then they got to switch it over to corn, and then I can pull on and dump off. He just finished up. We're gonna pull ahead when they wave us on and unload. Just met the caboose of that train. Today's my day. I don't mean to cause anybody any kind of concern, but the truck is starting to sound different. So I think I got a hole somewhere in the exhaust, because when I accelerate, it's really loud and it vibrates like the whole, not really the whole truck, just under my feet. So when I stop next, I'm gonna hop out and try to see if I can't find where I got a leak in the exhaust. I mean, I have the window rolled down because it started smelling different in here, and my big worry is carbon monoxide. So when I stop, I'm probably gonna open up the other window in that back vent too. because I wasn't feeling too good before I rolled the window down. When it started doing it, you know, I didn't know what it was. When I first started doing it, it was like I was driving over those little vibration strips that they put on the side of the road. But like every time I accelerate, like right now in my feet, the whole truck's just one added side effect that's a plus, I guess, is that the truck sounds really cool, because every time I let off the pedal, you can hear the turbo go Tear! But I don't know, it is concerning me a little bit, but we'll hop out and have a look at the exhaust once I stop. Alright. Oh boy, I don't feel good. I lost my exhaust. Oh no! That's a problem. I gotta do something about that pronto. What? Oh, that's not good. Well, I'm glad I stopped at the farm. I gotta do something about that right now. I need to go to town and get some. They have pipe that you can stretch, and I can just put it on that. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's coming in the cab somehow. Well, I need to turn that off. So that's a 5-inch pipe. This is 5-inch as well, so I need some 5-inch flex pipe to put on there. I gotta get those bolts off. Hopefully I don't mess up the exhaust. But it's got the same stuff up there. It's just that flex piping. I don't know where I can get it. I'll have to do some research real quick. I'd like to get this fixed ASAP so I can get back up there. Hey, do you guys have 5-inch flex pipe? Okay. Do you have the 5-inch clamp to go along with it, or two? Ryan Kuster. Alright, guys, which is in Keeler's closer. I'm gonna go down and get that. I'm gonna take these bands off first. Huh. That'll do it, I guess. Not exactly the result I was hoping for, but it does the job. Wow. Alright, I'm done asking. You raise a valid point. Fight tooth and nail, aren't you? But this is definitely going to be an issue too. Maybe I can fit the flex, kind of a pipe dream here, no pun intended, but maybe I can get that new flex tubing and just stick it up through here, hoping that I don't have to cut off anything here, because this, I already tried getting it off and I can't, and I don't want to mess it up because I know it'll have the tendency to break off, because when stuff gets hot like this, especially steel, stuff starts kind of meshing together, rusting really bad. So I'm gonna ask them if they got another one of these when I'm down there. I'm gonna take a picture of it just to see, but I'm gonna leave and go get that flex pipe now, because the sooner I get going the better. I just want to haul corn. Well, that was a $200 trip to Guys Trucking, but hey, we got it all sorted out. I got the parts that I should need, so let's stay hopeful and that we can get this fixed in a reasonable amount of time. So I'm about back to the farm now. We got a bunch of flex pipe, some clamps, 90-degree bend, and let's hope that I have everything I need. Travis and Dad needed some electrical tape, so they came back to the farm anyway, and they're gonna help me out. Well, it'd be nice if it went up in more. We might have to cut it off some to get it at the right height. Because we're a couple inches, like 5 inches below it.
Oh, that was up in there a long way.
Think it's all gonna fit up in there?
Still going.
Gotta go up another 5 inches yet.
5 inches?
Yep.
Ain't going down that way.
How are we gonna cut it? With the cutter.
Chop saw.
Yeah, chop saw. I wouldn't tighten that super tight just in case we gotta move stuff around to get it to fit. This is what I'm worried about.
Bend it and put it on up there.
Second. Second. Oh.
What?
Just a second. Okay.
It is?
Yes, it is. Should be good.
Light it up, see if it leaks or anywhere.
I can't see.
I don't know about you guys, but I feel like something's missing here. So it turns out that one unintended side effect of getting a bigger, more efficient combine is that there's less time for me to just swing in there and get some footage, because I am pretty much on the road all the time. I swing in there. I didn't think that I would open that Brent card up to 10 just to get it to unload faster, but I've found that I'm starting to open the doors all the way up and try to get loaded as fast as possible so I can be in and out. And my turnaround time's like less than 4 minutes, which is pretty good considering all the time I got to take to pull in there and untarp and everything. So tomorrow we are going to be making corn fodder. So I just hooked the 4640 up to the Rhino-Ag RDF 14 wheel rake. We're gonna set Dad loose with the 46 to rake stalks tomorrow. We pretty well got everything all chopped up here at the main farm. I got a strip out at my place that I want done. And Travis and I are gonna rake with both balers. We've got the Kuhn VB560 here that I'm excited to use because it's got those knives in it. And I wanna see what kind of fodder bales that makes, because I think it'd be really nice for bedding. Travis hauled a couple loads of corn down to the main farm to try to top off that Sioux bin. Not sure how many he got taken out today, because I was pretty much all on the road. That's going to be in our next video, so be sure to stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All how farms work. And with that, I'll see you next time.